Hi guys, and welcome to a new guitar lesson. In this video I'm going to show you how to play the main guitar of the song The Remedy for a Broken Heart by XXXTENTACION. It's a song where if you want to play along to the original one, you're going to need a capo on the first fret. Anyway, I'm going to do this lesson without the capo. Before we start with the video, remember to subscribe to the channel, tune your guitar, and let's begin. As I told you in the beginning, if you want to play along to the original one, you're going to need a capo on the first fret. Anyway, I'm going to do the lesson without the capo, so if you don't have a capo at home, you can still follow the video. And the song starts with an intro, and we're going to start with an A minor. And on the right hand, we're going to play thumb on the 5th string, index finger on the 4th, middle finger on the 3rd, and ring finger on the 2nd, and we play those 4 strings at the same time. And that chord is a half note, so it's a 2 beats note. So we count 1, 2, and then we change to an E minor, and the thumb changes to the 6th string. The rest of the fingers play the same strings that we played on the A minor. Okay, so we have the first measure. And then we're going to change to an F, playing the same strings that we played on the E minor. If playing bar chords is still difficult for you, you can play this chord instead, an F major 7. But if you use this chord, you're going to change the thumb and play it on the 5th string. Okay? But the original one plays a normal F. So you choose which one suits you better. Okay, and after that, if you play a normal F, you're going to lift the bar, but we hold the first finger on the 1st fret 6th string, in a way that we get the 2nd string open. Okay, if you play the other chord, you just need to lift the index finger. Okay, and there we get the 1st and 2nd measures. Let's try to play those 2 measures together. 1, 2, 3, and... Let's try one more time. 1, 2, 3, and... Perfect, then we arrive to the 3rd measure, and that one is exactly the same as the first one. A minor, E minor. So when we come to the 4th measure, we're going to place an F without the bar, directly without the bar, and we play the 6th string with the thumb, 4th string with the index, and 3rd string with the middle finger, those 3 tones at the same time. And then with the ring finger we're going to play the 2nd string. Okay? And after that we're going to play only the 6th and 3rd strings, and we keep alternating it with the 2nd string. So it sounds like this. Okay, that's the whole measure 4. Perfect, and there we have the intro, measure 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to play it one time and then we try together. Nice, so now let's try to play it together. 1, 2, 3, and... Let's try one more time. 1, 2, 3, and... Perfect, and that's the intro. Then we arrive to a new guitar, and they use that same guitar all across the song, on the verse, on the chorus, everywhere. And it starts with an A minor again, playing the same strings, but this time it's just a quarter note, and after that we slap the guitar. Remember that when we slap, that's the thumb slapping, the other fingers just come back to their strings. Okay? After that we play with the pinky finger the 3rd fret on the 2nd string, and that's a short note, so we have a rest after that, and we play that E minor again. After the E minor we slap again, and we play the 1st fret on the 2nd string, again a short tone with a rest. And then when we come to the measure 6, that's the same as the measure 4. Okay, so when we put together the measure 5 and 6, it sounds like this. I play it one more time and then we try together. Nice, so now let's try to play together. 1, 2, 3, and... Let's try one more time. 1, 2, 3, and... Perfect, and we just have to keep repeating the same thing, so now let's try to play it 2 times. Measure 5, 6, and then again 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, and... And repeat. Perfect, let's try another time repeating. 1, 2, 3, and... And that was The Remedy for a Broken Heart by XXXTENTACION. Remember to subscribe to the channel if you want to get more videos like this one, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I remind you that if you visit my website, EasyGuitarTube.com, you're going to find the tabs for the song and many other lessons. Thanks for watching this video, and I see you in the next one.